Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how to split videos in Windows Movie Maker. So after you've imported your video into Movie Maker, the next step is going to be to start splitting it into segments that you want to use in your final submission. So in order to split it, you need to first decide what part of the video you want to use. The best way to do this is by just watching your video all the way through from beginning to end, and then deciding what parts you want to use. You might also already know what parts you want to use of that video, and you can actually just jump to those spots. But let's say I've decided. I can drag this black bar right here to the point in my video, and as you can see, when I drag this bar, it plays through my video off here to the left, so I can see exactly where I am in my video. So let's say I want this point right here. Now the next thing I want to do is right click, and as you can see, split is an option right here. Click that, and as you can see, my video is then split into two different segments. I have a segment here and a segment here, and you can tell because on either side of the black bar here that I was dragging, there's movie tabs on each side to let me know that this is an independent segment. So let's say I want to split my video again at a further point in the video. I can drag the black bar to that point and then right click again and split, and as you can see, my video is now in three different segments. But let's say I just want this segment and this segment. I can just highlight this segment in between and then hit delete on my keyboard, and that middle segment then disappeared and is no longer a part of my video. But let's say I didn't want to delete that segment. I can go up here in the left hand corner and hit undo, and the segment comes right back. You can also undo any of the splits. So as you can see, that second split I did is now gone, and that's now one whole video, and my video is back in two segments. And you can also redo that if you decide you actually did want that. And let's say you mess up your video completely and undo or redo isn't helping the problem, you can actually just re-import your video and start over. But if you have made progress that you like, I do recommend that you save often, because if Windows Movie Maker were to crash for any reason, you would lose your work, so just be conscious of that. That's all you really need to know about cutting videos, and you should be well on your way to creating your final project.